Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set a Sydney Sweeney live wallpaper on your Windows computer. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Lively Wallpaper in the Microsoft Store, or visit livelywallpaper.app. This free application allows you to use videos and animations as live wallpapers. Step 2. Download and install Lively Wallpaper. Once it's installed, open the program. Step 3. To find a Sydney Sweeney live wallpaper video, you can check the video description and download it directly from the Google Drive link. Step 4. In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon, then browse and add the Sydney Sweeney wallpaper file you downloaded. Step 6. To customize playback, right-click the Lively Wallpaper icon in the taskbar. Here, you can adjust scaling, speed, or performance settings.
You played games, I rewrote the rules. Now you're just a lesson I learned in school. Hope you're well, said no one ever. I'm doing better than your best endeavor. I look too good to cry over you. Lip gloss popping and my rent paid too. I don't need a man to make me feel new. I'm my own muse, what a lovely view. You play games, I rewrote the rules. Now you're just a lesson I learned in school. Hope you're well, said no one ever. I'm doing better than your best and
And that's it. You now have a stunning Sydney Sweeney live wallpaper running on your Windows desktop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and wallpapers.